Hey, what up, guys? It's TechBoy101010 here, and today we're gonna be cleaning this laptop. Now, obviously, it's very shit. Now, as you can see, it's very dirty, and we're gonna and it's gonna need a good cleaning. So let's go. Now, first things first, guys. We're gonna want to bring it into the bathroom. Okay, now this is the optimal cleaning situation.
Go.
So first things first, we should probably just put it in the sink and get a bit wet so that we can wipe off all that dirtiness. Yep. Probably want to get around what? Oh, look at that. Want to make sure we get. Look at that. You getting this, cameraman? Yeah, we want to get that nice and wet to make sure that we can get all the grime out. Whoa. Okay. That should be good. Okay, so now we can just put this in the bath. You don't need to do much. Make sure you got some of this and a razor nearby, so you can do this properly. Okay, now let's just turn that on. Stop up the drain and just let that fill up for a minute. It's going to be taking a nice warm bath. See, guys, it's almost fully submerged. What you want to do is just wait till it's fully submerged, and then it will be real good for cleaning, okay? Okay, guys, now it's nice and submerged. Now what we gotta do is we gotta get this, and we'll use those later, okay? Now, I'm just gonna pour some on it. Okay, yep, that's good. That is optimal for cleaning, okay? Let me tell you that much. Okay, let's just put that back and just rub it in. Bam. It's one slippery laptop. And then flip it upside down and do the same. Oh my god, I can't even pick it up anymore. Okay, well, let's see how clean this is now. Oh, Jesus. Okay, it should be okay. This is a very durable laptop. It's not for this. No! Fuck. That's not even on purpose. See? Okay, well, it got a little too slippery. Slippery. God fucking damn it. Okay, about now you can probably just drain the water. Okay, it's pretty much good, and yes, we can shave it while we're at it. And that should be good. And that, you know what? That doesn't even matter at this point. It's pretty much clean as it can possibly be. So as you can see, guys, the water is draining. Just wait for it to drain, and then you can. Yeah, oh, well, it's nearly drained. Probably should just do that a couple times just to get rid of all the soap and stuff. It's important before you get out your laptop. Okay, let's get this out. Oh my god. Shit. Okay, it's hard to get this out without dropping it. Fucking goddamn it. Jesus. Okay, as you guys can see, this is actually designed. Okay, well, that was designed to be able to carry it, but I guess not anymore. Oh, okay, let's get it out. Lay it down on the floor there. Oh, dude, that's very soapy. Okay, we'll need to fix that in a second. Okay, everyone, so obviously it's real soaped up, and we gotta fix that. Oh god, it's on the tripod. That is not ideal. But let's just try and get the soap off of it. You know? Yeah, just do this. Okay, as you can see, this laptop's looking pretty clean. The only thing you can really see are its scratches. It's pretty nice. Let's do the bottom. Ah, yes, this is looking a bit soapy. Let's do this. Look, almost no grime left. It's amazing what just giving your computer a bath can really do for you. Make sure you get the water in the vents. That's crucial. I'm aiming my phone too far down. Expensive cameras. This tech YouTubers need expensive cameras. It's a law. Fuck. Okay. Well, that should be, okay. Yeah. Let's see if it, still works. Now, I forgot one thing, though. We gotta clean off this carrying handle that came with it. This should be good. Okay, yeah, whatever. Just leave that there. Wipe off our hands. And then let's transport the computer to its proper location. Oh, hello, Pupcake. Okay, let's go. Oh, shit!
Hey, what the fuck?
Oh, fuck, dude. Fuck.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Liam. No.
Destroy this.
No. No, Liam. Dude, that's important.
No, it's not. You just threw it in the fucking bathtub. It's clearly not important.
Liam. No.
Fucking pieces. Get the fuck out of my way.
Oh my god. Dude. Stop.
I'll show you.
Okay, guys, this is the ultimate test. Why the fuck won't this work? Eat my fucking dick! You fucking shitty computer! Why the fuck won't you work? 1,000-degree knife challenge against laptop. I'm done. I'm not done, bitch! You son of a bitch!
Oh,
You're cooked, you stupid son of a bitch. Hi, motherfucker. You fucking bitch! Let me go put you where you fucking belong, you stupid laptop bitch. Go in there. Much, much better. So, this was, Tech Guy, 101010 here. And as you can see, this laptop is very clean. I mean, honestly, I don't see any imperfections at all. And, yeah. I hate this laptop. Why? Fuck this shitty ass laptop. I never even liked it anyway. Fuck you! Fuck you so fucking hard. You son of a bitch. You fucked up my entire life. That's it. This is my last YouTube video ever. I'm just gonna kill myself tonight. You know what? Fuck this YouTube channel. And fuck this stupid laptop. Ah!